Audi just leaked its own nightmare. A prototype wearing minimal camouflage was spotted lapping the Nürburgring faster than the current RS7 has ever gone, and the engineers filming it looked terrified someone was watching. That's not paranoia. That's exactly what's happening right now. Because the 2027 Audi RS7 is shaping up to be the most radical version of this car ever built, and BMW's M8 team is reportedly not happy about it. For years, the RS7 has lived in a strange space, brutally fast, undeniably beautiful, but always slightly overshadowed by the more track-focused RS6 Avant. That ends in 2027. Sources close to Audi Sport suggest this next generation isn't just a refresh, it's a repositioning, an attempt to turn the RS7 into the flagship halo car the brand has been missing since the R8 quietly disappeared from showrooms. But here's the part nobody's talking about yet. Buried inside these leaked performance numbers is one detail so unexpected that Audi engineers allegedly fought internally over whether to even approve it for production. We'll get to exactly what that is, but you're going to want to stay until the end, because this single decision could completely change how enthusiasts view the entire RS lineup. Let's start with the powertrain, because this is where things get wild. Insiders are pointing toward a heavily reworked twin-turbo V8 paired with a beefed-up mild hybrid system, pushing combined output somewhere in the range of 650 to 680 horsepower. That would make this the most powerful RS7 in the model's history, comfortably eclipsing the outgoing performance variant. 0 to 60 is rumored to drop into the low 3-second range, numbers that would put it shoulder to shoulder with cars costing twice as much. And that brings up something worth mentioning right now, in the middle of all this. Because if you're someone who genuinely wants the real story before the mainstream auto press catches on, subscribing to this channel puts you first in line every single time. Tap that like button too. It tells us exactly which leaks you want us chasing down next. And honestly, it fuels videos like this one. Design-wise, spy shots reveal a lower, wider stance. A more aggressive front splitter clearly borrowed from motorsport development, and quad exhaust tips that hint at a genuinely different exhaust architecture than before. Inside, expect Audi's next-generation curved OLED display setup, a heavily revised steering wheel with dedicated RS drive mode toggles, and sport seats reportedly derived from the R8's final production run, a small but telling detail for anyone who understands what that car meant to Audi's identity. Chassis development is where the real transformation seems to be happening, though. Reports suggest a significantly stiffer platform, revised rear-wheel steering calibration, and an active suspension system borrowed almost directly from Audi's motorsport division. Test drivers have apparently described the car as feeling smaller than it actually is, a sensation previous RS7 generations struggled to deliver given the car's size and weight. Then there's the transmission rumor that's been quietly circulating for months. Multiple sources suggest Audi is testing a dual-clutch setup specifically tuned for this car, a significant departure from the traditional automatic used in past generations. If that holds true, shift times could rival dedicated supercars, something that would immediately separate the RS7 from typical grand tourers in its class. But now, let's circle back to that detail we teased earlier, the one causing internal disagreement at Audi Sport. According to insiders, engineers are reportedly considering a limited structural weight-saving package so aggressive that it would strip nearly 150 pounds from the car, involving carbon components in areas Audi has never used them on a four-door before. The debate isn't about performance, everyone agrees it works. The debate is about cost, and whether Audi is willing to let that technology trickle down into a car positioned below the R8's old price bracket. If they approve it, the RS7 stops being just a fast sedan and starts becoming something dangerously close to a genuine supercar in disguise. If even part of this turns out to be accurate, the 2027 Audi RS7 won't just compete with the M8 and the AMG GT 4-door. It'll make both of them look like they're standing still.